I remember those times where it was stressful, bro. Like you got bills, you got things that you want to accomplish in life, and you're not really making that much money. It's like it's kind of hard to keep doing that, but I just always knew, like, I could just tell it was different, and I knew that myself and D, like, we were different. Like we could make this happen no matter what. And I don't know, it's just like there's times where you wonder, why am I doing this? And then you wake up the next day, something happens, and it reminds you why I'm doing this. And you just keep going and you just keep going.
Are you usually the first one in?
Well, yeah, usually gotta see what everybody was doing last night and clean up the mess. Always got a little mail right here.
They just throw it under? Or?
Yeah, that was just started with. Because I always come early, so.
Yeah.
Let's get me here. It's my office. So that's the rest of the room. So that's my desk. That's Adrian's desk. That's D's desk. For me, like I always have to have it looking presentable. Just for when I come in the morning, because if I see a mess, then I already get stressed out about this guy. I just like plants. Like I started getting into it, like probably like when we started getting in the shop. This was the first one I got actually. Yeah, his name's Sai.
So you just try to keep this place clean and tidy before?
Yeah, bro. I just like. I mean, nobody wants to come shop in every spot, and it's hard too because like you said, like it's a shop, but you know we also like it's like a studio. Like we work in here, like everybody come kicks it. We talk ideas. So.
How's your morning, bro?
Pretty good.
Good?
Been chilling, yeah. Ready to get the day started.
What's this?
This was money. Money was down bad. A little money tree, and
Hell yeah.
my boy Juice kicked it one time and hasn't recovered.
So what do you usually do like when you first get to the shop?
Usually we'll sweep up, mop, water the plants, clean some shelves, disinfect some shelves, and then start posting inventory. Usually Hugo will put out some inventory for us to post, and then we'll, like whoever's here, whoever's opening, just kind of log into the shop page and then get the post going, so that way by 12 we already have stuff.
So.
Yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat.
Another day.
The day. Fridays, some of the best days. And everyone loves Fridays. It's always a good vibe in here.
What do you usually do when you get here?
Just check the Discord, see what else we have to clean up, get ready for the day. Sometimes I have packages, so I'll open those up. Today we have no packages. And then just clean up the shop a little bit. Looks like the internet might be down. My websites, they're not opening up. I'll probably just try to reset the PC. I don't want to start the day off with no Wi-Fi already.
You have like a daily routine usually before you get to the shop?
Yeah, I work out a little bit in my garage, and then I'll shower up, check the Discord a little bit on there, see if there's any drops. Eat some breakfast if I can, or drink like a little juice.
OJ or what?
No, my mom, she like does she has like a juicer, so every day she'll make like different types of juices. I'm gonna go water the plants too.
I think D already watered them.
Yep.
Yeah.
That one looks pretty moist. Yeah, the little moon juice is a little down back. Aloe doesn't need too much water. Shout out to aloe vera. It's already 12, so we'll kick the door open. Usually there's people waiting at the door. Yeah, we sell anything that's hard to get, really. Of course, bread and butter is the sneakers, Nike Dunks, all kinds of Jordans, Air Max, anything that's hype and hard to get your hands on. We also sell a lot of the hype streetwear.
And your own personal branded stuff too?
Yep, yeah, we have our socks. That was our first item. And then, of course, the boys provide services. They provide their shoe cleaning, restoration, or customization service. They've even cleaned bags before too.
You have a spit something?
Only if D hops in too.
You gonna hop in, D? These got bars. These got bars.
D does have bars.
Come on, D.
All those little snippets.
Freestyle Friday, yeah, you know I'm feeling good. I'ma throw it back, you know, one time for the hood. It's the one in the back, the one that lived it good. It's a good music, good living, good choosing, good killing. Everything we do, you know, we ain't spilling. We get it right, we don't do the messy. I just look up to God because He's the only one that could really bless me. Yeah, you know, I'm gonna say it with my chest, B. That's it.
Hell yeah.
Can't top that one.
Go ahead, Juice.
Spit it, juice. Let her have it, juice.
Shout out that man with the green pants.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Get it, juice.
Spitting some mean bars.
Yes, sir.
And that's a fad. This thing, I don't know what to rap about right now. It's just kind of ask him naturally.
We have to have a few buzzballs in.
You give Demetrius a few buzzballs.
Hell yeah.
Spits like he's fucking
Eminem.
Asher Roth.
Shout out the boy D Flopper World.
It's awesome, like, cause you know the shoe is still good. It just needs a new sole, and
Yeah.
most people would have just thrown them away already. And he said his boy got him these in Paris, actually.
Damn.
So you know it has a story to it.
Yeah.
And it's just like I like to be able to bring back something to life or to add a new chapter of its life. You know.
I need to get out of this. I need to do something else. I need to like improve. Like I need to chase something. And honestly, it was like really like finding a purpose because like loading up packages. It's like, is that my purpose? You know, like I'm bigger than that, bro.
How much of your day consists of restoring?
Like half, maybe a little more than half
More than half.
usually,
Yeah.
depending how booked we are. Like today, we don't have too much to do. Tristan has some orders that are just like little spot treatments.
And people can ship from anywhere to you guys, and you'll clean them and
Yeah,
ship them
so
back.
with shipped orders, all we ask is just cover the shipping charge. We've done shipped orders from like Miami, Vegas, Dallas, Denver, Chicago. Right now, it's all through the Instagram, but we should be launching the websites like within the next month or two. And then we're launching the cleaners, the cleaning kits, hopefully by next month too.
What should people do when they watch this video? Go hit that like and subscribe button.
Like the subscribe button just so you don't miss all the upcoming releases, because my boy Diego's getting down on all the videos.
Well, these are all one person, so I'm just getting them ready to go to get some pictures. I just like to get them as crisp as possible.
Yeah, I've had multiple people like, oh fuck, like I'm out and someone dropped like a whole drink on their shoes or whatever, and it's like they look at it and they just laugh and they're like, nah, I'm gonna just take them to D or T and I'll be straight.
Yeah.
So knowing that people have like that much trust in us that they can literally just like grab a drink and fucking pour it all over their shoe and know that they're gonna pick up pretty much a brand new pair as soon as they leave here is pretty dope.
I would say that we've done a good job of making connections around the city. Yeah, just doing a good job of actually going out and talking to people. You know, they come in here, we get to talk with them and kind of show them around. You know, it's hard when you're just doing it at the crib because, you know, you don't want to invite everybody into your house and show them everything. But
Because, I mean, you guys started doing
I
this
started
at
at
the
the
crib.
house and I loved it, but I never liked having people coming and dropping off shoes at my house.
Yeah.
Or like, I don't know, it just felt, I knew I wanted it to be more professional than that. So, and it's also like a lot of trust too. You know, these are $1,000 shoes. Like, it feels better taking them to an actual place in a shoe store. And I would say definitely worked on like 1,000 pairs. Clean?
Started?
Yeah, since we started.
More probably.
Well over 1,000 pairs. That's crazy,
Of
bro.
course, the only other person that I was really liking their work was Adrian.
I think the main reason I really wanted to bring Adrian onto the team was because I saw the quality of work that he was putting out and I saw the prices that he was charging. And for what he was making, like, he's not getting what he deserved.
Bring out ours.
Advertisement?
Ivan Chingon, aka Chingy. Yeah, these guys started calling me Chingy. Yeah, I'm the shop floor manager, so I pretty much just go over the floor, run the sales, and just I help Hugo put out inventory here and there, and then we just keep in like the shop in order. Coming back. You guys want anything else?
Goodbye.
Where we going?
Is it okay? We get some white cloths, we can shop it. Get loose, help out customers even better. They charged me for Corona Seltzer.
Oh, fuck
That shit was $30.
Hell yeah.
Happy birthday, C. Finally 21. Finally being